Introducing the TresslockX 6in1 High-Speed Brushless Hair Dryer from TresslockX's TresslockX collection. Experience professional styling at home with our revolutionary 6-in-1 styling tool, powered by an incredible 100,000 RPM brushless motor with intelligent alternating hot and cold air technology. Designed for precision and ease, LED light reminders guide you through each setting, while physical buttons prevent accidental touches during styling. Switch between attachments effortlessly with our convenient one-step safety lock system. Simply slide up and down for secure, safe styling every time. Our magnetic filter effectively prevents hair from entering the air duct, keeping your dryer performing at its best. Easy to clean with a soft cloth or brush for lasting performance. 6 professional attachments for endless styling possibilities: hair dryer for quick drying, straightening brush for sleek looks, left and right curling barrels for perfect waves, round brush and oval brush for volume and smoothness. TresslockX 6in1 High-Speed Brushless Hair Dryer. Everyday beauty, timeless and effortless. Visit us at www.high-speedbrushless.com